It's me again, Ernest Casina Camp. If you haven't subscribed my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos to come. It's been a while I haven't camped in my kitchen since we had a spring break, but finally tonight I'm going to prepare and cook lemon baked salmon with almond cauliflower rice on the side. Join me in preparing and cooking. These are the ingredients for the lemon baked salmon. I had a pound of fresh Atlantic salmon, salt and pepper, rosemary, 2 lemon. 1 lemon I needed for the lemon slices, and then the other one is for the zest and the juice. And then parsley. The rest ingredients that I have here is for my almond cauliflower rice.
If you want to know about the almond cauliflower rice recipe, just go look over to my videos. The salmon is already washed and patted dry. First thing we're going to do is to preheat our oven to 400 Fahrenheit. There you go. Next, we're going to tear a large piece of foil that can wrap the salmon fillet and leave space for steam. To make sure that the salmon is in the center of the foil, and top with salt, pepper, and of course rosemary. Then we're going to add lemon slices. I'm just going to make sure that I have enough foil. I'm not thinking that's perfect. Remove this for a minute. And then we're going to slice some lemon. Here, I'm going to add the lemon. And we're going to pull up full edges and clip together, making a close packet. So, then we're going to place this to our baking pan. And we're going to bake this for about 15 to 20 minutes. And one tip that I can share with you guys, every time that I prepare food like meat and it's from the fridge, I make sure that it is in a room temperature for about 30 minutes before you're gonna prepare it. So we're going to go ahead, put it in our oven since the oven is ready. Oven is ready. And set this for about 15 to 20 minutes. While the salmon is in the oven, I'm also cooking the almond cauliflower rice. While the salmon is still in the oven, I'm also preparing the lemon zest. This would be add on the salmon, and we're going to add this on top of the salmon with parsley and lemon juice. instead we're gonna take out the salmon. Make sure that we turn off that oven. We're gonna check if the salmon is done. And we have to make sure that we're not gonna burn from the steam. Look at that. Let's see. We're gonna double check, son, if it is.
I'm not sure if that looks.
If it's cooked. Let's see. If it's 145 Fahrenheit.
1,000. Oh.
This one is need a little bit, right? Let's see this one. I'm just adding 5 more minutes for the salmon, since when we check the internal temperature of it, it's still like did not reach to 145 degrees Fahrenheit. So we just want to make sure that the salmon is done and safe to eat. And my almond cauliflower rice is done, and it's ready to be served for the lemon baked salmon. Okay, after adding 5 minutes, we're gonna check again the salmon. Oh, watch out with the steam and watch out with your hand, because that is hot. Let's see. Perfect. That's over.
Over.
That's good. And then we're gonna add some zest, lemon zest.
Lemon zest.
And some lemon juice. And some parsley. There you go, guys. Our dinner for tonight. Lemon baked salmon paired with almond cauliflower rice. There you go, guys. Our dinner for tonight. Lemon baked salmon with almond cauliflower rice. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and please let me know what do you think about this video and the content. Until next time, and thank you for watching. Bye. How was it? I had. That's all.
Pretty good.
How was it, Al?
Good.
Just good?